Anak mode. At kasama ko, ako nga pala si Ken, kasama ko si Daytime.
Hi, I'm Destin Guadalupe from San Diego, California. We're drunk. We're actually drunk, kid. No.
Ito yung ano namin. Bulutan.
Yeah. Cheers, cheers.
Fucking cheese.
I love it.
At nakita ang Red Horse Beer.
Extra strong. Tama.
At hindi pa kami tapos.
Umuwi ka ng tama.
Ito yung gitara.
Sorry. And the Canadian
Washburn,
bag.
motherfucker. Cellphone kong sira. Wallet kong sira-sira. At aking pantalon na walang labahan.
And the Canadian bag, tol.
And the Canadian bag.
The Canadian bag
Roots.
from San Diego. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you like that? Yeah.
Ito, iinumin ko na ang shot ko.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
So you gonna drink a booze? Yeah. Closely.
Straight, motherfucker.
Watch, bitch. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, how you like that, bitch? Yeah.
Fuck. Extra swang.
You don't like me, bitch? I like that, bitch. Yeah.
Sensya na po. We're not crazy. We're ugly. Ha?
Lasing lang kami sa pimiento, pare.
Okay.
Isa pimiento, eh.
Paririnig namin yung...
Paparinig namin yung aming tutugan. Yeah! Watch!
That's me, motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Sarap yan habang nag-iinom eh. Sarap yan habang nag-iinom.
Toast to that!
How do you like that? Yeah!
Planja! Yeah!
Sulat na para sa iyo.
Ito ang iniinom namin ni Eson. Kulang pa yan. No.
Kulang pa, di sapat.
Pampakalma lang namin yan. Ito, shot ko na naman. Yeah, Red Horse, motherfucker.
Kulang pa, di sapat. Namatay, shit. How you like that?
Babalik po kami.